How to stay positive. Shot 1. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about an incredibly important topic, how to stay positive. In this video, I'll be sharing some amazing tips and tricks that will help you maintain a positive mindset, no matter what challenges you may face. So if you're ready to unleash the power of positivity, then keep on watching. Visual. Bright and uplifting background with the YouTuber's name. Shot 2. Embrace gratitude. The first step towards staying positive is to embrace gratitude. Take a moment every day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Whether it's the support of loved ones, good health, or the little things that bring you joy, acknowledging and appreciating them can truly bring a positive shift in your mindset. Visual. Video footage of people smiling and enjoying moments of gratitude. Shot 3. Surround yourself with positivity. They say that you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, surround yourself with positive and uplifting individuals who inspire and motivate you. Whether it's friends, family, or even online communities, being in a positive environment can greatly impact your own outlook on life. Visual. Montage of people smiling, hugging, and having fun together. Shot 4. Practice self-care.